From the ghetto rise the spark. One love, one heart, your light shining in the dark. Stand firm, no tear we apart. From the ghetto rise the spark. Morning sunrise on the mountainside. Children still a cry, but just still provide. From the trenches where the poor man stand, still we lift with voice across the land. Babylon system try to break with soul, but the fire of love still keep control. Every tribe, every color, every creed, plant the unity like a righteous seed. So me sing to the people in every nation. No more war, no segregation. Let the rhythm heal the broken land. Hold your brother hand in a jack command. One love, one heart tonight. Let your fire burn so bright. No more hatred, no more fight. Only truth and guiding light. One love, one soul unite. Under Jah eternal sight. From the valley to the height. Love alone must win the fight. Love alone must win the fight. See the youth them searching for a better way. Through the struggle every single day. But the music carry hope like a flame. Reggae calling every righteous name. From Kingston streets to Africa shore. See 'em cry